Sets in Python programming language. Hi, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson you will learn all about sets in Python programming language in detail. So let's start with a simple definition of sets in Python. Basically, sets are used to store multiple items or multiple data types in a single variable, a single special variable. Sets is one of four built-in data types in Python programming language used to store collections of data types. The other three are list, tuple, and dictionary, all with different qualities and usage. And previously we talked about lists and tuples. But a set is a collection which is both unordered and unindexed. And every time you run your program, you will get a random order or a random arrangement of the set items, because the set is unordered and unindexed. Now let me show you how to create a set in Python programming language. We have a simple example here to create a set in Python programming language. This set is called fruit set and it has 3 items. And these 3 items are unordered and unindexed. So each time you print this set called fruit set, you will get a random order for these items, or you will get a random arrangement. And for getting the type of this special variable called fruit set, you can use the type function. The type function is from the Python standard library, and you can use it as follows. Once you use the type built-in function or method for the fruit set, you will get this output. This program gave us set in the output. Also remember that set items are unordered, unchangeable, so you can't change the items after the set has been created. Also, set cannot has 2 items with the same value. Simply, duplicates not allowed. Now let's use the len built-in function to get the length of the set called fruit set. Now you can see the fruit set has 3 items, so we got 3.